another video. Let me turn that off so y'all can hear me. Lighting's probably where it's set up. I just want to make this video real quick because I've been getting a lot of people messaging me about it, but basically I don't have my OnlyFans account anymore. I don't know exactly what's going on because I've been emailing support back and forth, but like, you know, it's set up in a different country, so it takes them a while to get back to me, you know. So we're emailing back and forth right now, but basically it seems like whoever I signed up through for my OnlyFans wasn't legit, so the account is taken down. I'm trying to get them to like redo my account so like I don't have to make a whole nother one, but basically the last person like I was emailing with told me that it would be best for me just to make a new account and sign up like through my Twitter, like myself, like not through like a third party, I guess. So it doesn't seem like I'm going to get my OnlyFans account back, basically. I'm getting more details, but I just want to make this real fast because I have been having like so many people asking what happened to it. It is what it is. As of me making this video, I don't know if I'm going to make an OnlyFans account again. If I do, I'll put it on the screen. I just don't know how I feel about it now because, I mean, it seems like they know why it happened because, like, the way the person explained it to me, it's like a manual thing. I don't know. It's just so weird. But they're basically saying if I sign up, like, myself, like, through my Twitter, I should be good. I don't know. Luckily, my OnlyFans account was only $5. I posted every day. And they did say, I believe people will get their money back. I'll put the email on the screen. I'm pretty sure, you know, if you spend anything, you'll get your money back. Or you can request it back. I didn't get any of my money, so it don't matter. I lost out. I had a lot of money on there, basically, that I didn't get any of. So, whatever. So, if I do make an OnlyFans account, I'm only going to make it like $3. Or do a promotion for like $3 for an extended period of time because it was just a lingerie OnlyFans and we turned up on there. I had fun on OnlyFans. I really think I might make another one, but like the representative told me just sign up myself through Twitter. But I'm telling y'all right now, if this shit get deleted again, I'm done. It's not that serious. I'm not gonna go through this again. But yeah, I have fun on there, so I don't know, I may make another one. My camera's about to die, so I'm gonna say this really fast. What was I about to say? I don't know, my camera's about to die. Oh my god. I had some other things to say. Yeah, but yeah, everybody really wanted me. I wasn't gonna make another one. I still don't know if I am, but a lot of people reached out to me that were subscribed to my OnlyFans and asked if I could make another one because they enjoyed it. Like I said, we really had fun on there. I had fun making videos and pictures of my lingerie because, you know, I like feeling sexy. I just want to get on here because that's why my OnlyFans isn't up right now and I couldn't respond to all of you guys, so that's why I made this video. I may make an OnlyFans account again, I may not. If I do, like I said, it'll be on the screen, in the description, in the pinned comment, whatever. Okay, my camera's about to die, but I really want to go on here really quick to let you guys know that that's what's going on. As I get more details, I'll let you guys know. But yeah, so I'm sorry guys. All right, I'll see you guys next video. Peace.